So you have your Green Mountain Grill here, and you're full of Texas blend, and you really want to cook with, well, let's say fruitwood blend. In this case, it doesn't really matter what flavor we're talking about, but if you have one type of pellet in the hopper and you want to cook with another one, well, thankfully Green Mountain Grill's thought of this. They don't have to get the baling stuff out and start bucketing all this stuff out. There is a little spigot or spout on the backside that we can quickly and easily get most of the pellets out of the hopper, so we can fill it up with another flavor. So I'm going to show you that real quick. So this little guy here slides up and reveals the insides of the hopper, essentially. So what we're going to do is we're going to want to get a bucket. In this case, I have just a cheap bucket from my local Ace. We're placed under there, and we're going to basically pour the contents out right into the bucket. So I've never done it yet, so let's give it a try. Shakage, maybe? Oh yeah, that's supposed to go. It's never going to be a perfect thing, is it? But it's a heck of a lot easier than getting something out to pull all of that by hand, that's for sure. Now, pellets are clean, so it's not something that you're gonna have to worry about getting your hands all dirty, because it's just like sawdust, right? But it's compressed sawdust. Now, and I would also say that depending on the brand of pellets that you actually use, obviously depending on the size of the pellets, they're usually about uniform throughout the different brands that are out there, but at least that I've seen. I'm not as familiar with food grade pellets as I am with like the pellet stove pellets, but so basically now I'm down to the auger essentially. Let me bring it over here and show you this. So you can see here now this is side door, just as many as there. Now we're unplugged, so I'm not too worried about putting my hands down towards the auger bit a little bit, and I'm also not worried about all the little ones down here because we're still going to have to start the grill, and we're still going to, mixing flavors a little bit really isn't going to make that much of a difference at all, but you're definitely going to want to get at least the majority of it out. So I'm good with that. And now I'm going to go ahead and pour my next favorite type of pellet in there. Now, of course, before you pour the next kind in, make sure you replace the hopper door here. Make sure it goes all the way down and it just seals it up. And then you can grab the other flavor that you want to go with. So in this case, we're changing over to fruitwood. So I'm just going to grab this pellet, open up its bag, and start pouring in. And that's a quick and easy way to change pellets with your Green Mountain Grill. Now, I'm actually going to use these buckets to store these pellets in, so I actually have another bucket for fruitwood. I'm going to label them so I know which one is in what, but that's that. Pretty quick, simple, and if you have any questions, comments, post below. Check us out. We'll have more videos as we come.